Here's how to change Gemini voice in mobile. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can change Gemini voice in your mobile device. So this tutorial is for both iPhone and Android, so make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, just simply open up your Gemini app, and for me, this is it. And here we are. Once you're inside the app, just simply open or press on your account information or whatever you would like to call it, but you'll see your avatar with your first name, anything that you've used for your account. So I'm just gonna press on it, and here it's just gonna show me a few options, but I'm just gonna go ahead and press on the option of settings, which is this gear icon which says settings. I'm just gonna press on it, and here it will show me three options, but I'm just gonna go for the middle one, which says Gemini's voice. Once I press on it, I just gotta increase my volume up, and here we are.
I'm ready to be your
And you
voice.
can just choose
If you like
from
what you
Noah to Pegasus,
You can
Vega,
always,
and
if you're
Ursa.
curious about the other
So
voice,
just check out whatever
it's
voice
good
you
to
would
meet
like
you.
to
Give me
use,
I'm another.
and it's up to
Choosy.
you, whatever you want to use. And
It's good
yeah,
to meet you.
and just
Maybe I'm
press
your
select
style.
after that, and then you're done. Now whenever you use, the Gemini voice will be changed. And yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can change Gemini voice on your mobile device. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.